Hello, in this video I'm going to show how to make chocolate chip cookies using a bread maker. This is 1 1/8 cup all-purpose flour. This is 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. This is 1/2 teaspoon salt. This is 1 stick butter softened. This is 6 tablespoons sugar. This is 6 tablespoons brown sugar. This is 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. This is 1 large egg. This is 1 cup chocolate chips. I slice the butter in about 1/4 inch thickness slices. I combine the flour, baking soda, and salt together. I combine the egg and vanilla extract. The first thing I put in was the butter. Next I added the eggs and the vanilla. Now I added the sugar. Now I added the brown sugar. Now I added the flour, baking soda, and salt. Now I'm going to select the dough mode for bread. So it's on bread, and I'm going to hit start. I paused the machine. I don't know if this is required, but I'm going to move some of this into the paddle to make it easier to get it all. Right now it's on the rise mode, and it's paused itself. It looks like it's probably mixed up enough. I'm probably just going to add the chocolate chips and then mix those in, and then I'll just finish it. I'm not going to necessarily let it run for the entire cycle. I'm not sure how long this cycle takes, but it looks like it's mixed up enough now. So I think I'm going to add the chocolate chips. And then when it starts to mix again, once those look like they're mixed in, then it should be finished mixing. I didn't know how long the rise mode was going to take, so I stopped it and I restarted the dough mode. And the chocolate chips look like they're mixed in pretty good now. Okay, so now I stopped it, and it looks like it's mixed up pretty good. So next I'm going to take the paddle out. You could leave it in, but I just think it's easier if I take it out. Okay, this is the dough after I took it out of the pan, and I split it into 2 equal halves. And I'm going to put 1/2 back in the pan. I found that if you have too much dough in the pan, then it doesn't cook correctly, so that's why I'm doing it this way. Okay, so now I took half of it and put it in the pan and tried to make it as even as I could. Now I'm going to put the pan back in the bread machine and start to bake it. Okay, so now I'm going to bake it. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to select bake only, and it's set to bake time of 20, so I'm going to have to go 20 or 25 minutes. I'll see what it looks like after 20 minutes, and it's going to be a bake temperature of 375. So I'm going to start this, and now it's baking. So in 20 minutes I'll see what it looks like and see if I have to put it in for more or not. Okay, it's been 20 minutes and this is what it looks like after 20 minutes. I think it's supposed to be a little bit brown on the top when it's done, so I think it looks like it's probably done. I think I'll let it cool and then try to take it out. Okay, I think I took it out before it was cooled enough. So this is what happened. So I'll take the rest of the cookie out of the pan and then I'll get the second batch ready. Okay, I put the second batch in the pan and I'm going to close the door and I'm going to use bake mode and I'm going to cook it for 20 minutes at 375 again, and I'll start it. So in 20 minutes I'll see what it looks like. Okay, it's been 20 minutes and the second batch is done. And this is what it looks like. So it looks like it's done. This time I'll let it cool off more before I try to get it out of the pan. So hopefully it won't break up. This is the second batch after I took it out of the oven. On this one I let it cool for 10 minutes and then I put a spatula on the corners to help loosen it up and then turned the pan over and it just came out and it didn't break. This is what the cookies look like after they're cut up and ready to eat.